Hi, I am Mohamed Kamara, co-founder and managing director of Peter Innovation Lab. We design furniture from waste material. We can find out, say, the data say Salone generates up to 800 tons of waste every year. A majority of the waste in the tire and plastic. We provide a solution by converting the entire into bed, to chair, dining sets, and everything that somebody will use now for just think about how we go to bring value to waste and recycle the tons and tons of waste we'll get with this salon. We're here today for introduce the first version of bed where we utilize up to 70% of waste or tires we'll utilize. As you can see, even we hold an insert, the whole floor is designed from used tires. We feel like the only way we will go to the next stage, and we'll get more Sierra Leoneans and people across Africa to utilize waste to value products them. We recycle all type of plastic, all type of tires. We also source tires from the public. We create a lot of jobs already for young people. They collect this plastic and tires, and they buy them at a very great price. We create jobs for hundreds of young people across Salone. We believe the future of Mama Salone in our hands. And we beg everybody out there for embrace and support with innovation by patronizing we work and buying new products. We do for homes, we do for offices, we do for businesses, and we can do it for all ways, all distance, and customized way we will fit into the standard. With numbers that are available, we can deliver in our house, and we can customize our fit to your own standard. Thank you very much.